Hello students, last lecture we discussed the legendary polynomial. Some part is remaining. Today we will discuss that part. Firstly, write down the name, generating function of legendary polynomial, generating function of legendary polynomial. I am giving only, this is for the MCQ pattern exam, not for the theory. Giving the direct formula for the generating function of legendary polynomial. Write down 1 minus 2xz plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation over n is equals to 0 to infinity Pn of x into z power n, where Pn of x is the legendary polynomial of first kind. After that, write down orthogonal property for legendary polynomial. What is the orthogonal property for the legendary polynomial? Is that integration from minus 1 to plus 1 Pm of x into Pn of x dx is equal to 0 since n is not equals to m. They will ask directly, this is this one orthogonal property of the legendary polynomial. After that, write down the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation for the legendary polynomial. There are the 6 recurrence relation. I will give you one by one. First one is the n plus 1 into Pn plus 1 of x is equal to 2n plus 1 x Pn of x minus n Pn minus 1 of x. Second one, n Pn of x is equal to x Pn prime of x minus Pn minus 1 prime of x, where this prime is nothing but the legendary polynomial for the first order. Okay. Third one, 2n plus 1 Pn of x is equal to Pn plus 1 prime of x minus Pn minus 1 prime of x. Fourth one, Pn prime of x is equal to x Pn minus prime of x plus n Pn minus prime of x. Fifth one, x square minus 1 Pn prime of x is equal to n x Pn minus Pn minus 1. Sixth one, x square minus 1 into Pn prime of x is equal to n plus 1 in bracket Pn plus 1 of x minus x Pn of x. I will give one proof for of the recurrence relation. Anyone want all this? Then tell me. Otherwise, you will solve easily. Take anyone. I will take second recurrence relation. N Pn of x is equal to x Pn prime of x minus pn minus 1 prime of x. All these are solved by using the generating function of legendary polynomial. Write down the proof. We know the generating function for the legendary polynomial is that 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 1 by 2 is equal to summation over n is equals to 0 to infinity pn of x z power n. Right? Then firstly we differentiate with respect to z. Otherwise write down this equation is first. Differentiate equation first with respect to z. All of you know the differentiation. Write down. This is minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 2x z plus z square. Differentiating with respect to z. So that's why whole power minus 3 by 2 minus 2x plus 2z is equal to summation pn of x n into z power n minus 1. Okay. From this 2 is common. Take 2 common and this 2 it get cancel out. This minus multiply. Then we will get z minus this minus is common. This z minus x in bracket. I will take one more step. 2xz plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 is equal to summation n z power n minus 1 pn of x. Okay. Multiply this minus, then we will get x minus z 1 minus 2xz plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 is equals to summation over n z power n minus 1 pn of x. Okay. After that, suppose this equation is 2. Again, differentiating equation first with respect to this time with respect to x. Okay. Differentiate with respect to this equation with respect to x. This is minus 1 by 2 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 with respect to x. Then so that minus this is 2z which is equals to summation z power n is constant. With respect to x you are differentiating, then pn prime of x. Anyone is don't know how this differentiation? See here. This is z power x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. From this formula we are getting this one. Okay. Here is 2 and here minus 2. This is minus 1 by 2. This cancel out. Then remaining term write down. This is z in bracket 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 is equals to summation z power n pn prime of x. Suppose this equation 3, then dividing equation 2 by 3. Okay. Then divide. This is x minus z 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 divided by z 1 minus 2x z plus z square whole power minus 3 by 2 is equals to summation Pn of x into n into z power n minus 1 divided by summation z power n Pn prime of x. Take a cross multiplication. This one cancel out, okay? X minus z into summation z power n Pn prime of x is equal to z summation Pn of x into n z power n minus 1. After that, equate coefficient of z power n on both sides. Okay, from this we will get the x Pn prime of x minus Pn minus 1 prime of x is equal to n Pn of x. Okay, what is the second recurrence relation? This is only na. All of you getting up to here the legendary polynomial. Today we will discuss one more topic. We will discuss the Bessel's function. Some part. Take new page and write down the heading Bessel's function. Anyone any doubt for this, then tell me to the WhatsApp. Bessel's function. For this, the differential equation is that x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus x square minus n square y is equal to 0. This is called the Bessel's differential equation, and particular solution for this equation is called the Bessel's function of order n. Okay. We find the Bessel equation while solving the Laplace equation in the polar coordinates by the method of separation of variable. The Bessel's equation having some application in the